And everyone is ready to go here in Berlin at the Olympiastadion. I'm Derek Ray, my co-commentator is the former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon, and we should have a pulsating game of football for you. This should be high-intensity stuff, Lee.
Well, thank you, Derek. Glorious atmosphere here. Really looking forward to it. The fans are too. The players look like they're up for it. This could be end-to-end. We could get goals today, Derek.
As an opposing defender, you dare not take your eyes off Robert Lewandowski, even for a fleeting moment, Lee.
Well, he's got amazing finishing ability, and when a player's got that, it means you have to go that extra yard tighter. And when you do that, you leave space behind you, so it puts the defender in two minds.
Well, here is the Bayern side. The highly regarded Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba plays with Jerome Boateng in central defence. And leading the attack today is the lethal Robert Lewandowski. This is what they'll be up against today. A 4-4-2, but with the emphasis on attack.
Yeah, very much so, Derek. The number 10 will supply the support for the strikers. Three very, very narrow midfield players will also get forward. A little bit worried about the full-backs exposed on that side. They need to be on their game when they don't have the ball.
Kimmich with it. Here is Thiago. It's opening up for them. And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
Acres of space afforded Bayern. Thiago. And the ball with Alphonso Davies. Keeping the ball moving. It's a weighted pass. And now the delivery. Well, the keeper won't be complaining about that corner kick delivery. His ball all the way. It's with Dybala. Pjanic now. Khedira. Matuidi. Ramsey. Now Matuidi. Alexandro. Shot attempted. And Kimmich puts his body on the line. Müller. Pavard with it. Goretzka. Kimmich. Lewandowski now. Thiago. Davis. Well, it's forward momentum for Bayern here. What can they do from this position? And that's an important intervention. As an attacking player, you rather hope you'll get the decision in your favour, but offside here.
Yeah, the defence got that spot on, and so did the linesman.
Excellent first touch under the circumstances there. Well, that is how to play advantage. Pjanic now. Oh, nice ball. Alexandro. It needs an accurate cross. And that's a corner. And firing it into the area. Well, he was being pursued furiously. The effort, though, nothing to write home about, really.
No, I think you give the credit to the defender there. Just put him off balance.
Pjanic. Quadrado. Chiellini. And very deftly cut out. Lewandowski now. Here is Thiago. Might be able to set up the chance. What's he going to do here? Müller. Couldn't keep it. Now Khedira, Alexandro, Bonucci, Khedira, Pjanic. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. And Ramsey, well, he did his best to remain onside, but just failed.
Yeah, it was close, but that's all it needs to be, close. He was offside.
An inability to keep hold of the ball there. And a chance for him on the flank. Ronaldo. Khedira. Alaba puts his body on the line. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Pavard with it. Kimmich. You've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. On and on he goes. Ronaldo feeds it. Alexandro. Top-notch tackle. Well, great read there to intercept. A chance to whip it in. Wonderfully weighted pass. Just unable to get his cross beyond the first defender. Well, he knew what he was doing defensively with the concession of that throw-in. Dybala. And he has been ruled offside here. Can't have been by an awful lot.
Oh, I'm not so sure, but the linesman's got a better view than I have.
Alaba failed to hold it. It's with Dybala. Ronaldo. And it's played into the centre. Crucial intervention just then amid impending danger. Short corner it is. Ronaldo. Pjanic. Crossed accurately towards the far post. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Ramsey. Onto Ronaldo. Dybala. A foul, but advantage played. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Well, a chance here, perhaps, to invigorate their aerial targets. And delivered by Pjanic. Danger averted for now. Pjanic. Pjanic. Cuadrado. Ronaldo at the ready. And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. Here is Thiago. Lewandowski. Lewandowski. Thiago. Alphonso Davies. Moving the ball effectively. Lewandowski. And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
The first half here comes to an end.
Potevamo stupirvi con effetti speciali e colori ultra vivaci. Ok, basta così. Ma noi siamo scienza, non fantascienza. Del resto il palcolor l'abbiamo inventato noi. Noi siamo Telefunken. La nostra filosofia è una qualità costante nel tempo.
Telefunken, qualità costante nel tempo.
Musica è. Il maggior successo europeo è di Eros Ramazzotti. Anche in confezione speciale, da regalare e conservare.
The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Now Khedira. Chiellini. Pjanic. Alexandro now. Space afforded him. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Alexandro. Pjanic. Pjanic. Precise ball movement. Pjanic now. Khedira. Alexandro now. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. And Ramsey. Cleared away. How about the grades for Cristiano Ronaldo so far? He could improve.
Well, it's not been a great first half of football as far as he's concerned. He seemed a little bit sluggish to me, Derek. Easy for the back line to pick him up. Needs more movement.
Chiellini. Pjanic now. Matuidi. Now Cuadrado. Matuidi. Ramsey has it. Dybala. Cuadrado. Now Matuidi. Pjanic. Onto Ronaldo. Pjanic. And over the touchline for what will be a Bayern throw-in. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Goretzka. Leon Goretzka. Thiago. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Splendid block from Chiellini. Corner kick played in, punching it clear. Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. Davis. Thiago. Kimmich with it. Pavard. Good vision. Can he get onto this? And Lewandowski in the thick of things. It had an invitation attached, but he couldn't avail himself of the opportunity.
Well, just look at him. He thinks it's in, just wide.
An important interception. Dybala. Ramsey. Bentancur. Alexandro now. Ramsey has it. It's with Dybala. Alaba comes up with it. An abundance of space. Still on level terms, moving the ball nicely. Lewandowski. Goretzka. Oh, a nice-looking pass. We wondered if a goal was forthcoming, but it has arrived now.
Well, finally the deadlock has been broken. Not long to go now. How will that affect the opposition? Top marks, finishing at his best. Lovely through ball as well. The timing was perfect. Excellent finish.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. So back underway, Bayern leading here. Dybala, Matuidi, now Cuadrado, Pjanic, Matuidi. Patient enough build-up, can they carve out a chance? Inside the last quarter of an hour.
Well, as you can see, Bayern have hardly had the ball, but they won't mind. They're winning this game. And why? Because their counter-attack is absolutely fantastic.
Coutinho. What's he going to do here? Müller. Cuadrado. Dybala. Ramsey. Ramsey. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Matuidi. And Ronaldo prepared to fire. Not messing around with that clearance. Lewandowski. Goretzka. Pavard with it. Well, it's a great advantage to any side when you're as comfortable on the ball as they are. Leon Goretzka. And Pavard on the ball. This is Müller. Thiago. And in the second half, the signs are positive. They can't relax, Lee, but they ought to be pleased.
Bayern players have to focus on not making any mistakes in order to protect this slender lead. If a bit of magic from the opposition gets them back in it, there's nothing you can do about that.
And the ball has been played forward towards Coutinho. Crossing possibilities. And now Coutinho. Oh, nice work to get past his opponent. Not to be advised giving the ball away there. Can't miss, surely! What a save it was to keep them in with a shout.
Well, he has kept them in the game. If that goes in, it's all over.
Delivering the corner, Coutinho. It didn't happen for them. Davis. Here is Joshua Kimmich. Boateng. Alphonso Davies. 1 minute remaining. Abar with it. Here is Thiago. Well, a shocking pass, really. That's it. The referee brings the action to an end.